Hello and welcome to this new video on how to deactivate Instagram account on PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to access your Instagram in your PC, and when you are able to access the Instagram, you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen, and in the bottom of the left hand side there will be more tabs. So you just have to click on it and a pop-up box will appear. And the first tab of the pop-up box is settings. So you just have to click on the settings and you will be able to access the settings section, and inside the settings section you will be able to see Meta Account Center. So you just have to click on it and you will be able to access the account center. And when you are inside the account center, you just have to look on the left hand side once more, and under the account settings on the second option it says personal details. So you just have to click on personal details, and on the right hand side of the screen personal details section will be appear. Now you just have to look on the bottom of the personal details, there will be account ownership and control. So you just have to click on that section, and when you're inside the section you just have to click on deactivation or deletion. Just click on it and another deactivation or deletion tab will be open right in front of you. Now you just have to choose the account that you want to deactivate. Just choose the particular Instagram account, and there will be two different options once more, that is deactivated account or deleted account. So you just have to click on the deactivate account and click on the continue button. And when you click on the continue button and follow through the few processes provided by Instagram or the account center, you will be able to deactivate your Instagram account. So this is how to easily deactivate Instagram account on PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.